Half of 2024 is already gone. If your marketing efforts are still not getting you the desired results, it's really imperative to look at the marketing strategy. You really need to focus on inbound marketing. Inbound marketing focuses on changing your prospects from the customer to the loyal customer and into the brand influencers. You need to focus on these three things. Number one is attract the customer. Your content should be capable enough to attract the right customer. So your marketing should be designed in a way that it qualifies the lead during the marketing only before it enters into your sales funnel. The second step is to engage the customer. Once the customer enters your sales funnel, your content has to be so much engaging that it focuses on the pain points of the customers. Third one is to delight the customer. How can you actually delight the customer? You can delight the customer by giving them exceptional after sales services. Still, in my experience of working with business owners, there are more than 60% business owners who don't focus on after sales services. If you work to improve your after sales services and delight the customers, they will become your brand ambassadors.